Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. We're out here in the marsh. I'm out here with Abel. All right guys, we're in the marsh. We're gonna try to catch some fish for you guys. See if we can find some schools. 3 birds that are working. Got him! The redfish right here is a good fish. Got him. The catch of the day. Got him. He's right here. Nice golden color. Got him, guys. You're not stuck no more. You're free. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. We're out here in the marsh. I'm out here in one of these marsh lakes that we've been to many times over. It's one of our favorite spots. I'm out here with Abel. We invited Tim and Alex to come out here. Unfortunately, they couldn't make it out today. But we're out here. We're gonna try to hammer some fish. Abel, if I'm not wrong, it looks like there's a bunch of birds up there on that shoreline. All right guys, we're in the marsh. We're gonna try to catch some fish for you guys. See if we can find some schools and maybe work some top water. See if we can get maybe even some trout. Who knows? We're gonna just kind of go for it all today. We've got a few hours to fish. It's afternoon after work. We're gonna try to make it happen for you guys, so stick around. Go back. Yeah, they're circling. That's a school. It's a little protected now that we got this protection from this shoreline. Yeah. All right, y'all, like I said, you see those birds right there? They're diving. They're hitting that bait that's just on the surface of the water. And the reason why there's bait on the surface is because redfish underneath are tearing up, redfish or trout are tearing up small shrimp and shad. More than likely shrimp. So that's a telltale sign of a school of fish. Even if it's just one bird like that, that's a sign. So we're gonna head over there and see if we can pick up a fish or two. We're gonna try to coordinate efforts and cast at the same time so we can both get a fish. Best case scenario, we can both get a fish, move away, and then get back in the strike zone to get another fish. All right guys, you see there's just one bird right here, but we know that's redfish. Got him guys. All right guys, first fish. It's a trout. Surprise. Wow, that is a trout. I didn't think it was gonna be trout in here. All right, let's just get this fish in the net or in the kayak. Add a photo, angler app, camera. All right, it is about a 15-inch fish, so it's a keeper, but I'm not gonna string this fish up. It's a 15 1/4. I don't want to keep a barely legal, so there it goes. All right, let's get back in the strike zone. We've got a school over there still. We got a school right here. That bird's circling. Let me wait to see where he ends up. See how he circles? Don't follow the bird until he starts hovering slowly again, because you don't want to spook the fish. Abel's about to hook up right here, guys. He threw it right in that strike zone. Just keep throwing, man. I know that's probably where they're at. If not, let's move to that second school. Dude, that trout, got him. Oh, there's redfish right here, dude, all in front of me. Right here, come over here. Oh yeah, guys, that is a redfish. Let me turn away so I can get Abel. Yeah, oh, they're all right here, dude. Man, I didn't even know it. I saw the school. Try to get Abel some room, guys. All right, y'all. School of redfish, man. That's what we want to see. All right, y'all. I think this redfish is almost ready. Let's get him in the kayak. He's fighting. He's a good fish. Nice, pretty bronze color. Probably a mid-slot. He almost got in the net. Let's try it again. Try it again. One of my favorite fishing spots, man. I've been coming here for years. Really, really good spot. Really? Yeah, it's just cool temperatures, dude. All right, guys, got this fish in the net. That is a nice one. Oh man, he definitely choked this one down. You guys can see it. I got the Slayer. There we go, little Slayer. I'm thinking probably 24 inches. Let's see what it goes. 25 inches all day long, maybe a little over 25. Fish. Let's do it again. Let's go get in that strike zone. See if we can pull out another limit. And then there's a school over there. I think these are redfish right here. We got a nice high tide. You got one? Oh, he's on a fish. Abel's got a fish. I didn't even know that. Okay. I'm gonna try to get on this school, not spook it, so that we can get a quick limit. I see the fish on the, I see the fish splashing, dude. I'm gonna try to pick one out without getting it spooked so you can get back on it. Got him. Got him, guys. There it is. That's another red. Go get you another one, Abel. All right, y'all, this is fun. This is where it's at, guys. This is where it's at. All right, y'all, this is a decent fish, man. This might be big. I don't know if this is over or he's just fighting good. Oh, man. I'm throwing the Slayer Sinister Swimtail jig head. I'm sorry, oh, that's a big fish. Slayer Sinister Swim soft plastic paddle tail. Really, really nice paddle tail with some good action. Try to get out of this school so we can get back on him. I think that might be an over slot. He's right here. Okay. Yeah, go get those. Dude, I think this is over. Over? Maybe. I don't know, dude. Maybe not. She got a good hook set right there in the corner of the mouth with this Sinister Swimtail soft plastic by Slayer. Again, that's all I'm throwing. Really nice action. 26 inches, 26 and a quarter. 26 and a quarter. Let's log this fish real quick. Hopefully it doesn't jump like they like to do every time when I want to take a picture. Two fish.
Dude, that school stayed right next to me while I was fighting this one. Right there.
Really?
Yeah, I reached for my net and it fell out.
Your net fell out?
It was drifting over there, so I was trying to land the fish just with this.
Yeah. Damn. Nice. Two fish, 4 fish in probably 30 minutes out of 2 schools. See how he's just looking and hovering? Telltale sign of fish. See, wait for him to circle back around. Don't spook him. Don't follow the bird. Kind of mark where he hovers, and that's where you kind of need to go to, because he's going to move around and then kind of regroup himself. What? He stopped. Okay, there he is. He was waiting. There he goes. No, I've never seen a bird sit. Got him, guys. We reversed it out for Abel. Oh, that sucks. All right, I'm reversing it out of here for Abel. I got, there's a school right there. Get that third one, dude. Look, you can see the mud boils. All right, I'm trying to get this fish away from the kayak, away from my stringer. These are some solid fish. All right, let me try to get him around the other side. This is not a bad fish, definitely a slot. Not as big as the first one. I don't know. He could be. He could be as big as the first two. I think we need to get him in the net first, so priorities. Let's get him around this side. Let's get him around this side, the safe side. All right, guys, let's get him in the net. I think we played with him for enough. All right, third fish of the day. That's the limit. I say 23 maybe. I see that right in the sun, that golden color. Check it out, y'all. Check it out. Pretty blue tail. Look at that. Put him on the stringer. Really good fish. There it is. That's the limit, y'all. We're still gonna fish some more, but there it is. Hey, what's up, guys? All right, so that was really fast and furious. I got 3 redfish in a matter of probably like 30-45 minutes. Abel picked up 2. We're scanning the lake right now to see if we can find another school. The birds have kind of died down, but they're still around here moving around, scanning the surface for redfish, and the redfish didn't leave. We know they're still out here. Oh, here it is. It's got it. Got him. All right, what is that? Oh, bro. Am I recording? All right, guys, I ain't never caught a croaker. Is that a croaker? That's a croaker. I ain't never caught a croaker on a jig head before. A little croaker, guys. That is the catch of the day. Oh, damn it. Ah, dang it. All right, guys, this is not what I wanted to catch. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah, I might be able to. Yeah, because it's not like the hooks aren't in the don't bite me, don't bite me. Trying to help you. All right, so I got the top water out, cut off. You're not stuck no more. Go. I feel like he thinks he's still stuck. He's just chilling. Hey, what's up, guys? We're heading back. It's getting pretty dark. We caught a bunch of fish, Abel and I. We all caught them under schools. After that, the bite kind of died a little bit, but it was a good time. We were able to get into schools like we wanted to. If you guys are in the market for a new kayak or any accessories, don't forget to stop by Austin Canoe and Kayak. I know it's a difficult time right now shopping and buying anything really, but Austin Canoe and Kayak has a contactless system that they're working with right now to maintain your social distancing. If you guys need a kayak or any accessories, hit up any one of the storefronts, give the shop a call, and they'll take care of you. Anyway, guys, hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you like the channel, please subscribe. We'll catch you guys next time.